Now take some more. Blow very slowly. See? Can you see? What is it?
The bubble. Day, shadow, day and night. Face of sun, day, opposite side, night.
What's in your hand, Viraj?
Parachute. I will
Please drop it.
We need enough water and simple water. So first we take this. We will put in this water. It's got sink. Now let's put in enough water this. It is floating because bubbles and water. Both balloon experiment. I put some air in balloon. Now I leave water. Air, pressure, experiment. We put this
on the plastic bottle.
water. Air comes in balloon, which shows that oil and water never mix. I have taken a glass full of water. Now I will put some oil in water. Now I will try to mix it. But you can see that again and again oil is coming out. Blowing balloon. For this we need a bottle filled with water, a packet of Eno, and a balloon. Now we will put the balloon at the top of the bottle. Turn the lamp. This is one paper. We are going to put it inside a glass, and then we are going to put this glass inside the water, upside down. So right now, the paper did not get wet. Now if we put it this side, the paper will get wet. Fatta needs paper, glass and the water of the bowl. Fatta put paper in the glass and second it put glass in the water. The paper is not wet. I like to say air occupy space. Electric static charge. For this we require a balloon, a black pepper. Now you can see the black pepper is stick into my balloon. Chemical reaction. We need a paper funnel, a balloon, a bottle filled with water, a scissor and 3 packs of Eno. Do the balloon straight and then balloon will blow. Thank you and have a nice day.